What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Welcome, everybody. We are back in the taco, and we are heading to one of our buddies' house. We got these in the mail. Just metal plates. Metal covers, metal brackets, whatever you guys want to call it. As you saw in the previous video, we installed our tires. They look freaking awesome, and our wheels. But we're having stupid, mad rubbing issues. But I did my research after the fact, and as you saw, we're rubbing way too much. So basically, I went and did my research, and I saw that we had to do a cab chop mount. So we're gonna have to chop the cab mount or part of it and install and weld this plate onto there. So I'm in this forum, and then on this page down on Facebook, where all the tacos and FJs and Forerunners and Toyota cars, trucks are on there. And I asked if anyone knew how to, fix this problem or get rid of this thing. Sure enough, someone answered, so that's where we're headed to. So at full lock, and you'll hear right now, you'll be able to hear the scraping from the very tip of the tire. And it's horrible, man. I don't want this to scrape, maybe pop a tire, and then that's it. I have my spare in the rear, but I don't want to have that type of problem. So with that being said, we're heading over to our friend's house. He's gonna help us out. Hopefully he doesn't mind us filming. I haven't met him before, just on social media. I am extremely excited because I just can't have it, man. I hate rubbing, and I hate not going off-road. We went off-roading 2 days ago, and I had to take one of my friend's Jeeps because I can't take this one. But anyway, guys, let's head over there, and let's have this thing not rub anymore, shall we? I'll see you there. Yeet. This is perfect. driver's side is done. Joseph did an amazing job. He's already starting on the other side. But yeah, we didn't remove any plastics. We didn't cut any plastics. We didn't remove anything from the truck, just so it looks as stock as we can. That's pretty. Joseph did a great job, man. Look at this.
It's not perfectly straight. You kind of want to fold it around to follow the contour of the mount. So you tack weld a little bit, fold it over a little bit, hold it with the clamp, tack it, fold it, tack it. And you just kind of work it. It's kind of like if you ever watch these videos of these old guys building body panels on old classic cars.
Yeah.
They're over on the machines, you know, they'll hammer it a little bit, they'll take it over, test fit it, and they just go back and forth until the fit is perfect. And I think that's what makes the end product look just. Super close.
Excuse the hair. Pretty much done with welding the mounts. Again, take it to someone that knows what they're doing. Joseph has been doing this for a couple years now. He has a nice FJ Cruiser in there. It's badass, and he's done all the work himself from the everything. So he knows what he's doing, and that's why I brought it to him. But it's looking great again. He's doing a great job, and he's finishing up just the little touches so it looks pretty smooth on the actual plate itself. All the welds are good, looking great. So smooth.
Where do I normally put my phone?
It has to be the plastics, no?
Plastics?
I have a strong feeling it is.
Yeah, go ahead and put it in park.
So everything's done, guys. I'm just going around the block just to make sure that, you know, everything seems fine. What we heard here is basically the plastics. The plastics are the ones that I'm gonna need to cut and just remove slightly so that it doesn't rub at all. But we have about 2 inches of space and clearance in the rear, like with the pinch weld, I mean, excuse me, with the cap mount chop. So all you hear here, that's all plastic. Again, let me show you. See that? That's all plastic. Cap mount, right there we have about 2 inches to play. That's all plastic. Down that part, and we're solid, man. We're ready to hit some trails. I just need that rear lifted, and we're done, man. Let's get on alignment, and that's it. That is it, ladies and gentlemen. And I'm extremely excited. Thanks to Joseph, man. Joseph was a great sport. He knows exactly what he's doing. He's done it a couple times already, especially in the FJs. The FJs is a little bit different, but still it's kind of the same thing. but he did a fantastic job, guys. I can't thank him enough. But yeah, this is pretty much it, guys. We're gonna hit some, like, a nice little trail just to make sure everything's good after I cut those pieces off. But everything seems well. It just looks so damn good. Look at it. Unfortunately, we're still rubbing after the cap mount delete or cap mount chop. We're still rubbing, unfortunately. It has to be the pinch weld. It has to be. So next step is probably we're gonna hit we're gonna just hammer that thing down, and hopefully we can get enough clearance for us not to rub at all. We're still missing that rear lift. That rear lift needs to be done. It's leaning just a tad bit, but there you go, guys. Seems pretty amazing. As long as you don't see the rear, there shouldn't be any problems. There's wifey in there. Oh man. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much gonna be it for today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. Again, Joseph did an outstanding job. I really appreciate him. Truck is looking amazing now. Minimal rubbing, still some rubbing there, but we'll get to it. Unfortunately, we're probably gonna just have to remove the whole fender well and hammer down that pinch well. But it's looking great, and I'm so excited. Next thing is somewhere up here. Just stay tuned for that, yeah, because that's gonna be amazing. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Again, leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Love you guys, and until next time, peace out.